Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Yusi Aprilia Yusuf, and in this video I would like to explain about simple present and present continuous. So, are they same or different? Let's check this out. Okay, I believe that all of you guys, have ever heard and studied about simple present and present continuous. And now, in this video too, I would like to explain about a simple definition between simple present and present continuous. Okay, let's start with simple present. Simple present is the tenses that expresses about daily habits or daily activities or usual activities. For example, I eat every day. It means I do eat every day. It's daily, usual, and always like by day to day I eat. It's a daily habit. Do you eat every day? But in the other hand, simple present also expresses general truth or a fact. For example, apple is a kind of fruit. That's fact. Apple is fruit, right? Not flower, not also vegetables. And how about present continuous? So present continuous is the tenses that expresses about the activities is occurring or is happening right now. For example, I am eating right now. It means at the time I am eating. Like that. So we can conclude that simple present and present continuous is different. So they are different. Now let's start the explanation about simple present. Actually, in every tenses in English, there are two forms of sentences. The first one is verbal sentence. The second one is nominal sentence. So, what is it about? Verbal sentence is the sentence that use verb or in Indonesia mean kata kerja in the sentence. For example, I eat every day. So we can find it as the verb and it's called as verbal sentence. Verbal sentence had the form like that. For the positive sentence, you can use the form like subject plus verb 1 plus a plus e or es plus object. And then in the negative sentences, is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 and plus object. And for the interrogative, the first interrogative is the first one is 5W1H plus do or does plus verb 1, or you can erase or declare the verb 1. It based on the condition, what do you want to ask? And then the second interrogative sentence is yes or no question with the form do or does plus subject plus verb 1, like that. And from the second question, or we call as yes or no question, the answer just can be like yes subject plus do or does, or no subject plus do or does plus not, like that. Okay, just a simple information that do plus not can be like don't, and then does plus not can be doesn't. And now let's check this out to the example of a verbal sentence of simple present. For the positive sentence is they play football every day. Okay, it usual every day they always play football. And then for the negative, they do not or don't play football every day. It can be like one day for a week maybe, or 2 days for a week maybe. We don't know. And then for the first interrogative sentence is we will use the form of what. For example, what do they do every day? The answer can be like they play football every day, like that. And then next we move to the yes or no question sentence. The form is we start with do or does. Now we would like no we would like I would like to take do in front of the yes or no question. The form can be like, do they play football every day? If the answer is yes, you can say yes, they do. If the answer is no, you can say no, they do not or don't. Okay, so I think you have more knowledge about when you have to use do and when have to use uh, does, and when you have to use verb one with plus e or es, and when when you have to use verb one just in a normal condition. Just look at to the subject. So subject define the form of the verb one and also the form of do or does, like that. And now let's move to the nominal sentence of simple present. So in the nominal sentence of the simple present, and every tenses is nominal sentence is the form of the sentence that there is no verb in the sentence. So the sentence is consists of complement. The complement can be noun or adjective or adverb. And the form is for the positive sentence is subject plus to be plus complement. For the negative is subject plus to be plus not plus complement. And then for the interrogative sentence, for the first one is 5W1H. You can choose one of them plus to be plus subject and then plus complement, or you can clear one of them between subject or complement. It depends on what you need. And then the yes or no question, about the yes or no question, the form is to be plus subject plus complement, and you can answer the yes or no question with the form yes subject plus to be or no subject plus to be plus not. And now I would like to give you the examples about nominal sentences in simple present. Okay, the positive sentence can be like she is a student. Okay, you don't find the verb in the sentence, right? She is subject, is stand for to be, and then a student stand for complement in the form of noun, or in bahasa Indonesia mean kata kerja. And then for the negative sentence you can it can be like she is not a student. Okay, and then is plus not can be like isn't. She is not a student, or she isn't a student. And then for the interrogative sentence, by using 5W1H, you can it can be like who is she, and then the answer can be like she is a student, like that. And now let's move to yes or no question. To be will be stand in front of the sentence. For example, is she a student? If yes, so the answer is yes, she is. If no, so the question is no, she is not. Okay, so like that about nominal sentence in simple present. Can you make the differences between verbal and nominal sentence? And now let's move to the present continuous. Present continuous is the sentence that expresses about the activities that is happening right now. Okay, it's same with simple present that in present continuous also have two form of sentences. The first one is verbal sentences. The second one is nominal sentences. Let's start with the verbal sentences. The verbal sentences have the form like in the positive sentence is subject plus to be plus verb ing plus a object. And then in the negative, a subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus object. The first interrogative sentence is 5W1H plus to be plus subject, or it can be like plus object. It depends on your needs. And let's move to yes or no question or the second interrogative sentence. The form is to be, stay in front of the sentence. To be plus subject plus verb ing. And if the answer is yes, you can say yes, subject plus to be. If the answer is incorrect, you can say no. No, subject plus to be plus not. Okay, so let's move to the example. Okay, the example of of the present continuous in the poem or verbal sentence is like that. The first one for the positive sentence is my mom is cooking in the kitchen right now. So it's happening right now that my mom is cooking in the kitchen. And move to the negative is my mom is not cooking in the kitchen right now. My mom stand as subject, is as to be, not is like a sign of negative sentence, and cooking is verb ing, and in the kitchen is just complement, the adverb of place, and then right now is the adverb of time. It shows this present continuous. And then from the interrogative, for example, what is your mom do in the kitchen? What is your mom doing in the kitchen? Ini bahasa Indonesia. Apa yang sedang ibumu lakukan di dapur? Like that. And then let's move to yes or no question. For example, is your mom cooking in the kitchen right now? Apakah ibumu sedang memasak di dapur sekarang? Seperti itu. And then the answer can be like yes, she is, or no, she is not. Like that. And now the video about this video will explain about present continuous in the form of nominal sentence. Remember that in nominal sentence there is no verb in the sentence, so you can just find the complement. It can be like noun or kata kerja, adjective or kata sifat, and then adverb or kata keterangan. Let's move with positive sentence. The form of positive sentence is subject plus to be plus being plus complement. The negative is subject plus to be plus not plus being plus complement. And for the interrogative is subject, is 5W plus 1H plus to be plus being plus blah blah blah. It depends on your need. And then for the yes or no question is to be plus subject plus being plus complement. Okay, let's move to the example. And now there are some examples about present continuous and nominal sentence form. Okay, the first one in the positive sentence. For example, I am being so happy right now. So right now I am being so happy. Not every day but just right now. Not yesterday but just right now. And then the negative sentences is I am not being so happy right now. I am not being so happy. So it can be like I am being sad right now. Now let's move to yes or no question. In yes or no question, for example, are you being so happy right now? Or you ask yourself, am I being so happy right now? If the answer is yes, yes, I am. Yes, you are. Or the question, if the answer is no, so no, I am not. So that is about the differences about of simple present and present continuous and how you can use each tenses. So I hope this video gives some benefit, some function for you. I'm so sorry if there is some mistake in pronunciation or in the explanation when I deliver the material. So thank you for the attention and for thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.